Hare Krishna everyone, welcome back to my channel. आज म बनाउन गइरहेको छु गाजर, काँक्रा र आलुको अचार. So let's make it together. Peel and chop the carrot, cucumber and boiled potato into small bite-sized pieces. In Nepal, we make this carrot, cucumber and potato achar for special occasions like festivals, the Tihar or for family gathering. But since moving to Australia, it became my little piece of home, a burst of flavor that always remind me of family and good time back in Nepal. In a mixing bowl, combine the chopped carrot, cucumber, boiled potatoes, red chillies, add Til Ko Dhulo, sesame seed powder, sliced onion and chopped coriander, salt to taste. Mix everything well to coat the veggies evenly. Slice the onion and chop the coriander leaves. Now heat oil in a small pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add Methi, Fenugreek seed and fry for 30 seconds until they become slightly darkened. Remove the pan from heat and quickly add turmeric powder to the oil. Stir to combine. Pour the prepared tempering, methi and turmeric oil over the veggie mix. After that, squeeze lemon juice over the achar mixture and give it a final mix. Serve this easy and delicious Nepali achar with dal, bhat, roti or any rice based. Thank you for watching, and if you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe, and have a great day.